Are you looking for a solidly built home that has been lovingly cared for 44 years of the owner's occupancy, with plenty of room on the inside and out to enjoy the lifestyle of your dreams? Then this is the home for you. My name is Bill Pozerycki. Behind the camera is my business partner, Linda Arpino.
Hello.
We are the Pozerycki Arpino team of Keller Williams Realty, and I am standing in front of 11 Robin Hill in Chelmsford.
I'm going to just kind of pan as we go. So Robin Hill, it's a great location in town. It's one of those very pretty country roads. The house is set back nicely from the road. You can see it's got a really cool entrance with the gates and the brick. And we're going to continue around and get back to Bill. Emily and Linda are watching.
Excellent. So come on inside and we will show you this beautiful home. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section. We'll see them and answer them as best we can. Come on in, Linda.
Thank you, Bill.
As Linda enters the front door, right into the left, you're going to find the front to back living room. It does have wall-to-wall carpet, but there is hardwood underneath. It's got a beautiful big picture window that overlooks your flat backyard. And as Linda pans over, you can see it does have a wood-burning fireplace. Over 2,600 square feet in this home, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths. That 2,600 does include about 400 in the finished lower level.
I'm just going to show you. So here's our front door. That's where we just came in. And then pan one more time because it is a nice large space because, as Bill mentioned, it is front to back. And then I'm going to go in the corner because then it does actually have a little bit more room where Bill's standing.
There I am. So from here, we're going to walk in through to the dining room.
All right, Bill. Sounds like a plan. Let's head that way.
You can see just a closet right here. As you come into the dining room, as Linda pans around, you can see it has a beautiful built-in china cabinet.
Yeah, this is pretty. So it's got the nice rounded top to it. I love that feature. Lots of room to place things underneath and above, but architecturally it's very pretty.
Very good sized dining room for entertaining. You can definitely get another leaf in this table and
Yes.
probably easily get 10, maybe 12 people around here. Nice hardwood and double French doors that leads out to your 14 by 14 rear deck. And we are going to end outside, so you will see the nice backyard that you have out there that you can entertain or just enjoy yourself with the privacy.
Yeah, stay tuned. Mike is watching. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
So I'm going to do this way and you can see the full china cabinet. All right, let's move on.
And from, I'm going to make a little bit of a loop. We'll show you again where the front door is, but then we're going to pop into the kitchen after. So right around from the dining room, they're using this area as an office area. You can, whatever lifestyle you want, you could have another little TV room or you could have an office area. Everybody knows that COVID has taught us how to work from home, so it is nice to have that space.
Because they did a nice expansion to this house. Because originally this would have traditionally been your dining room area. So when they added the section we just came from, so that gave you a nice big area for all those kind of gatherings and entertainment. And then this became an additional room, which I mean you could use as a den, an office, whatever it is that however you'd like to use it, as Bill said.
And right where I am here, this is the front door. So this is how we came into the house. We went to the left and just kind of looped around, and now we're back in the area that they're using as an office.
And look how nice that huge window, nice big windows in there. Yanira is watching. I'm saying your name correctly. Now we're into the kitchen.
Into the kitchen with tile flooring. It has an eat-in area to it. Again, lots of windows in this house, and I probably sound like a broken record. Whenever we do houses that seem to be a little bit older, they always had more windows, more natural sunlight. It's a beautiful day outside, so you probably can see the sunlight that is coming in.
And it has some, so I'll just stay on this side for the moment. So there's a built-in behind Bill. Very nice, Bill.
And there's another one on the other
And
side.
then I'm going to pan this way. And then there's another built-in. So just even that section, that addition that they put in there, gives you lots of cabinets. But wait, we've got more.
But wait, there's more.
But wait. So there's the rest of your kitchen.
And this is a single French door leading out to the same deck as the dining room. So you, from either the dining room or the kitchen, you can access your deck.
Yeah, I like that. I like the two. And there's one more way we'll show at the end to get outside. So you have 3 different ways to enter the backyard.
Right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take you upstairs, show you the bedrooms, and then we're going to come back down this way and show you a few more things downstairs and head outside after that.
There's some recessed lighting that I'm showing you. We'll walk back through the office and head upstairs.
Now there is a cat upstairs named
Oh,
Calvin,
Calvin, so he
who
might-
is very talkative.
Yes.
So if we miss something, I'm sure Calvin will let
Calvin
us know.
has lots to say.
So we're going to go up and we're going to go to the right and we're going to walk into the main bedroom.
So again, this is another place where you see some of that expansion that they did, because this is a huge master suite.
So it's all hardwood up here. And the main bedroom is, we measured as 19 by 17. I'm going to cut in front of the camera, sorry. It has 2 walk-in closets that Linda will get to. There's one right here, which is a pretty good size one. And then there's one behind her.
So you saw there were 2 nice oversized windows in the front. There's a window in the back. And then I'm just going to pan around because I'm in front of one of the walk-ins.
And both of the walk-in closets have windows, so you get some nice natural light in there as well.
So this is a good size. However, don't you worry, there's plenty more space. So, and then I'll show you the bedroom from a different angle. So look at this space. I would love this. Look at Bill. Look at all your clothes.
Yeah,
go in here.
it's a hers and hers walk-in. Although I might get a little smidgen of the other side, I think.
And then, as he mentioned, there's the window in here. And then, so here's the view from the other side. And then we'll follow Bill. Continue our tour.
And into the main bath with
Has some,
solid flooring and does have a skylight. Has a big jacuzzi tub there as well.
so it's a nice big space here. I'll show you get good light from the skylight.
Yeah, that main bath measures 11 by 7, and these are approximate measurements. We're not embellishing at all, so.
All right, Bill. What else does the second
We are
floor
going to
have
go
to
look
offer?
at the other 2 bedrooms, then we'll look at the other full bath up here, and then head back downstairs.
And the house, did you say, has central AC?
It does have central AC, 2 systems. Central AC was installed in 2005.
Nice.
So we're going to go into Calvin's room.
Hi,
Hello,
Calvin.
buddy. Is there
There's
anything,
Calvin.
anything you'd like to tell us about this room?
It has
Calvin
been-
says this is where the sun streams in every
Every morning. that's-
mid-early afternoon, and she enjoys herself here. Underneath this carpet, as well as the next bedroom, is hardwood. They each have their own closets.
Excuse me, Calvin. Yes, you
And
tell
each of the
them.
bedrooms are going to have 2 windows, one of them being a nice oversized window as well.
So there's your closet. There's the rest of the bedroom. And then say goodbye to Calvin.
Oh,
Oh, it's a tough life there, Calvin.
Calvin does not come with the house, I'm sorry.
No.
We will not accept the Calvin offer.
It's a linen closet right here.
And the 3rd bedroom with, again, hardwood underneath the carpets. 2 windows to, again, help that natural light come in. And again, AC all upstairs as well on a separate zone.
There we go. All right.
And from out, this is the other full bath here that services the other 2 bedrooms. Tile flooring. Window overlooking the backyard. And tile with tub and shower.
All right,
Let's go downstairs.
let's head back down. So with the, you can tell, you know, obviously when you're inside you can tell, but as you're looking through our camera lens, I'm sure you're seeing the same kind of well-kept home. You know, for 44 years, someone has loved this home and really taken superior care of it, and that definitely shows.
Absolutely. I forgot if I mentioned the closet here in the kitchen for extra storage or pantry area, food, whatever you want to use it for. And we're going to head out towards the side of the house. As we were facing the house when we started, the garage was to the right. That's where we're heading now. So before we get there, you have a 3/4 bath right here, tile flooring, and a shower stall.
So you don't often see that many bathrooms. Typically this would be just the half bath, but they have added that shower to make it the 3/4, which is nice.
And we're going to go down and take a quick look at the
Bill can what backwards?
room. I'm
You
talented.
are very talented.
I was doing a.
Don't hit your head.
I won't hit I've hit my head twice on this so far.
So as we're walking down, you can see the nice stone. And then it is heated space. You can
Has some stonework at the beginning, and then wall-to-wall carpeting here. So it's a nice extra space. You can have it as a bonus room, an extra TV or family room.
playroom, exercise room.
Many options.
The list goes on and on.
As Linda comes down this way, to the right is the washer-dryer area. And that is like a little bar room or that you could use.
It's got nice cabinet space. Could put a little fridge down there. Right there's the laundry. I'll get you the full shot from this angle. So it goes all the way from Bill.
And right in here is a door that goes to your utility room.
So you have nice extra storage too.
Exactly. Your heating system is newer as well, and the hot water comes right off of the boiler itself. 200 amps, circuit breakers. All brand new smoke detectors that I installed over the weekend, just FYI.
Nice job, Bill. I was going to mention superb placement and installation. And we are in, if you are interested in schools, we are in the Byam Elementary School District, which is a nice one. My kids went there.
And I would spend a lot of room here. This is their sunroom.
Look at all the windows. Out of my
Out of
way.
my way, sorry.
You're in my shot.
Nice shot. You do have a nice bank of windows, back, front and back, as well as you do have a skylight. You're just under 200 square feet in here. It is heated with electric heat.
So there's your front yard again. Nice space.
And if you walk out the door that Linda is pointing at right now, that is the 2-car garage. And it has electric door openers, and there's some extra space in there for either storage or a work area.
So this is how you, as a homeowner, would be coming in. You go in your garage. It's nice because you can see it has some recessed lighting, but it has an overhang. So you can just stay underneath that if it's inclement weather. Come right into this porch and right into the kitchen area. Now I'm going to do the back windows, Bill.
Well,
I'll just say hi to the people. And go all the way around. There's your electric heat Bill talked about. And then the skylight. So plenty of light coming in this area. And this is one of the 3 ways that we mentioned. You can come outside.
I was just going to say that, Linda. You stole my thunder.
Sorry. So they have their grill out this way.
Yeah, you could have your grill here. You could have it up on the deck. You've got a couple of options. The lot size is 0.69 acres, and as you can see, you do have a nice flat backyard area.
Yeah, so look at this. This is like prime real estate.
Yes. So you are on town water and town sewer here, so you have room if you did want to put in a pool.
It's amazing backyard. I'm just going to run up on the deck.
I would suggest you walk.
I'm going to run.
I've seen you run.
Let's see. Well, they don't have to see me run. It might be a little shaky, but at least no one's going to see it. Watch. Here we go.
Oh, God.
I did it.
I'll walk out towards the back.
So it has a composite deck, so it's very low maintenance. So here's your kitchen windows and kitchen door. So if we came out that way, here's your view of your backyard. And then the larger part of the deck is here. So they have their table and chairs set up. Hi, Bill. Oh, Elaine is watching.
Hi, Elaine.
And then I'm going to go this way, just so you can see. So there's the French doors from the dining room that come out. And here's the rest of your side yard.
So right around this way is your 2 condensers for your 2 AC systems, your 2 split systems. Excuse me, just AC system. You have water spigots in the front, water spigots out back.
If you need it, they have a fenced-in area for like a dog run, animals. You could do a garden, vegetable garden or something in there. Got the nice picnic table. You have to go up and over the bush. And there's Bill. So I like with the picnic table, the bench there. There was the other bench. It's kind of like a nice park-like setting out back.
So that concludes our tour. Thank you for staying with us. We are going to hit MLS Live tomorrow. We are going to... Oh, a robin just flew out of that tree and scared me. We'll hit MLS with showing starting on Thursday. Through the weekend, we may have an open house. We'll let you know. Keep track of that. And we are coming on at $700,000. All offers will be due Monday afternoon at 2. So if you have any questions, again, reach out to us, put them in the threads. We will repost this on our Facebook business page, so please go there. Like our Facebook business page so you don't miss any videos. We'll also cross-post over to our YouTube channel, and when you're there, subscribe. So once again, you can see all our lovely videos. Once again, everybody, thank you for staying with us. We really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe.
Thank you.